Hey everyone, welcome to another video of mine. Basically this video is all about studies.
Why are we still here?
Yes, exam seasons are approaching, so I will be sharing my exam habits with you. So what are you waiting for? Christmas? First of all, do you mind if I sit like this? Of course you don't. Okay, so step 1 is all about YouTube videos. Yeah. Firstly, I visit the YouTube channel and choose that which chapter I will study. As I'm a CBSE student, I visit so many channels and then I choose a particular video which is of 1 hour duration. Yeah. So the videos are really helpful, let me tell you. Because the bookish knowledge is not everything. So I personally prefer some of the channels which are Just Padhle, Vedantu Young Wonders, Byjus, Magnet Brain and Physics Wala. This will really help you in your life. And I'll give you the links in the description. The second step is, making notes is really important for each and every student. Doesn't matter from which board you belong. Yeah. So the thing is that when you visit these YouTube channels, these are not for fun. First, let me tell you, these are not for fun. You visit them, you watch the full video and make notes of it. Like the notes which you find important for you, which are interesting for you, you make notes of them. It will help you. You don't have to visit it again and again and again. If you will make a note, it will be clear in your mind, and writing is also important for it. So this is the second thing, making notes. The third step is basically my favorite, is that after first you watch the video, you make notes of it, then you read the book, the chapter. You read it thoroughly, you don't have to memorize anything because it's already inside your head now. You just read the chapter and mark the important points. Just mark with a marker or highlighter, whatever you prefer. Just mark it and yeah, that's all. That's how you read a book. Just simply like that, you read your chapters. Now, it's time for step 4. But you've done that 3, na? That's enough. No. That is not enough. Now the main, and actually not my favorite part is here, which is review. You have to take an exam of yourself, to analyzing yourself, your whole performance. Because after this, your base is clear. It's totally clear. You just have to take an exam of yourself and you're done with review. The last and the final step, step 5. Yeah, so in this step, you have to revision. So when you will reach step 5, that means you're already completed with 4 steps and you're done reading the chapter. But it's not a one-day wonder, right? So you have to repeat it every day. You don't have to study the book again and again. You remember the notes you made? Yeah. You have to just see it every day. Just look at it. That's it. That's your revision. And you're done with 1 chapter. It's just for 2 to 3 hours. That's it. You don't have to study for 4 or 5 hours. Because it's not a time limit. It's the focus which you have to build. Step 6. Nah. I'm just kidding. It's not step 6. So that's it for today's video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. So I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, you go through all these links in the description. And don't worry, I'll be posting more videos like this informative kind of videos this month. So you don't have to worry. Just take a chill pill and sleep. So that's it for today's video. I hope you like the video. And if you like the video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care and bye-bye. And yes, do not forget to visit the app Notion and track your performance.